Yams are a variety of sweet potato. Their skin is the darker purple. Sometimes at our grocery store, they're labeled as red garnet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are lighter colored, and they are sometimes brownish on the outside. My computer search tells me that sweet potatoes, for 1 cup, have between 70 and 72 milligrams of sodium. That's not a lot when you consider that it's good food, but the yams have only 14 milligrams of sodium for a cup. I'm using yams. To bake them, you wash them, pierce them with a fork, put them on a baking sheet that's lined with foil, and bake them at 350 degrees, depending on the size of the potato, how long it's going to take. They'll generally be done between 40 and 60 minutes. Then you can slit the top of them, put your hot pads on, squish them. Put some unsalted butter in those, a little bit of brown sugar. Mighty good. If you're going to use them for mashed, when they cool, you can just scoop out the center of the potato. They can be cooked in a saucepan. I use bottled water because my tap water's got sodium in it, and my bottled water does not. It doesn't take a lot. You don't have to cover the yams. Put a couple of cups in your saucepan with your yams with a tight-fitting lid. Bring it to a boil, and then turn it down to simmer. Let those potatoes simmer until they're soft, depending on the size. Mine are done between 30 and 40 minutes. If you're going to mash them, cool them, peel them, and mash them. You don't have to use a mixer. You can just mash them with a fork. Whichever way you do them, baked or simmered, you can freeze them. I freeze them in 1 cup packages. Got them handy for when I want to make cookies. Thanksgiving's coming up. If you want to do something that takes more, you can do these in advance. Makes that Turkey Day a little easier to do. If you end up with a tablespoon more than a cup, it's okay, because it works fine in the cookies or whatever you're going to cook with. My mother used to like to cook yams, and we'd have those for dinner, and my dad would always say, "Yam, yam, we eat them when we can." Dad had a bunch of sayings like that. Mom cooked peas. I'm just going to tell you this one. He'd say, "I eat my peas with honey. I've done it all my life. It makes the peas taste funny, but they stick upon my knife. Yam, yam. We're eating these because we can. We can have them at 14 milligrams for 1 cup. We can certainly enjoy yams." If you haven't thought about eating yams before, and you're thinking about it now, please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday, there'll be a new low sodium tip or a recipe, low sodium, for you to enjoy.